How to download pins from Pinterest on PC. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download pins from Pinterest on your PC. Launch any web browser on your laptop or PC and navigate to the official Pinterest website at pinterest.com in the search bar. In this interface, you will see login button at right corner of the screen. Log into your Pinterest account using your login details or continue with Google. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Pinterest interface. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to enter keywords or a description of the image you are looking for. Press enter to see the search results. Scroll through the search results and click on the image you want to download to open it in a full view. In the top right corner of the image, you will see three dots next to the star icon. Click on these dots to open a menu of options related to the image. From the menu, select Download Image option. Wait for a moment for the download process to complete. Once downloaded, you can find the image in your computer's default download location. You can also navigate to the folder where you usually store downloaded files. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.